onelawyer.com. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Ask My Lawyer Mom. I get a lot of questions from clients. I've been practicing law for almost 20 years. I worked for a major insurance company for 9 of those years. I have a lot of experience in this area, and I love to answer questions that I get, especially from my favorite questioner.
Hi, I'm Rylan.
And he's always got a lot of questions for me. What's your question today?
So Mom, I'm at a school and we can't go to a restaurant. How can they just close everything down like this?
That's a good question, and it's a question that I even asked as a lawyer when this whole pandemic started. And the answer is that there's this sweeping authority under the Nevada statutes for the governor to act in any way he thinks protects the public interest if he declares a state of emergency. And under NRS 414070, he has the power to declare a state of emergency.
So you mean he can do whatever he wants without any vote?
Yeah, that seems crazy, doesn't it? It's actually true. He can enact any ordinances, authorities, limitations on the general public and businesses that he thinks are, quote, protecting the public health.
Is there any amount of time he can do this?
I wish there was some sort of limit, and you would think that there would be, and then the legislature would have to step in and vote. But in this state, there is not any time limit under the statute under which these regulations can still be in effect.
Can every governor in every state do this?
Yes. I haven't personally reviewed every state's statutes or constitutional authority. However, since every state in this country has in fact implemented a stay-at-home order, it's clear that this is in fact the law in every state in this country. So what that means is that every governor can enact ordinances or statutes to prevent people from engaging in their daily lives if he believes that there is a threat to the public health.
I thought we were supposed to live in a democracy. How come our House and Senate and our state did not vote for this?
That is a good question, and if he were to be challenged, I think that possibly it could be struck down. Recently, if you've been watching the news in the state of Wisconsin, the Republican House challenged the governor's authority before the Wisconsin Supreme Court. And while in Wisconsin, you've got a Republican legislature and a Democratic governor. So you've got this inherent clash. And so they challenged his authority. Remember, law doesn't change if it's not challenged. So they went to the Supreme Court and they said he has overstepped his authority under our rule of law. And the Supreme Court agreed. So in the state of Wisconsin, they said he had overstepped his authority, and they immediately quashed his authority. And now everything's open in Wisconsin. But I don't see that happening in Nevada, because in Nevada we have a Democratic House and a Democratic governor, and I don't see a challenge coming in the future to these stay-at-home orders.
Make sure to like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments down below.
Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Stay tuned for our future videos.